Hello everyone, myself Miss Pramila. First of all, welcome to Geography. See, in today's session we are going to see about our planets. A planet is a celestial object that moves around the sun in a fixed path called the orbit. Planets do not have their own light, they reflect the light received from the sun. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their increasing distance from the Sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The 8 planets move around the Sun in their fixed orbit. Therefore, the planets can be defined as celestial bodies orbiting around the star. Earlier, Pluto was considered as the ninth planet of our solar system. However, latest astronomical research has shown that Pluto does not fulfill criteria like sufficient size and fixed orbit that characterized planet. Hence, it is no longer considered to be a planet. Therefore, we now count only 8 planets in our solar system. All the planets are different from each other, though there are a few similarities among them as well. The planets are generally classified as inner planets and outer planets. See, what is the inner planet? Inner planet are also called terrestrial planets. These planets are smaller and closer to the sun and than the rest of the planets the solar system. These planets are also known as the rocky planets as they are largely made up of rocks. From that we are going to see first planet Mercury. The duration of a Mercury in Earth's days equivalent is 88 days. The duration of one spin of Mercury on axis is 59 days and the distance from the sun is 58 million kilometer. The Mercury's atmosphere is no sustainable atmosphere. Mercury is not having a single moon and the diameter of Mercury is 4878 kilometers. The other name of Mercury is Speedy Messenger. Second planet is Venus. Duration of a year in Earth's days equivalent is 255 days. The duration of one spin on axis is 243 days. The distance of Venus from the Sun is 108 million kilometers. Venus' atmosphere is dense carbon dioxide and the nitrogen. Venus is also not having a single moon. Venus' diameter is 12,103 kilometers. The other name of Venus is morning or evening star. The third planet in our solar system is Earth. See, the duration of the year is 365 days and 6 hours. Duration of one spin on axis is 24 hours. Earth's distance from the sun is 150 million kilometers and the atmosphere is a mixture of several gases, nitrogen and oxygen. Earth is having one moon and the diameter is 12,756 kilometers. And the other name of the Earth is a blue planet because of the presence of the water. The fourth planet is Mars. Duration of the year in Earth's days equivalent is 686 days and 23 hours. Duration of one spin on axis is 1 day and the distance from the sun is 228 kilometers. The Mars atmosphere is thin atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide and some traces of oxygen. Mars is having two moons and the diameter of the Mars is 6,786 km. The other name of the Mars is the red planet. Now we are going to see the outer planets. Outer planets of the solar system are known as the giants of the solar system as they are huge in size as compared to the inner planets. outer planet are made up of gases, dust and ice. From that, first one is the Jupiter. Duration of a year in Earth days equivalent is 11 years. The Jupiter's duration of one spin on axis is 9 hours and 56 minutes. And the distance of Jupiter from the Sun is 768 million kilometers. The Jupiter's atmosphere is a very high temperature. Hydrogen exists in liquid and the gaseous state. And the Jupiter is having a 54 moons. Diameter of Jupiter is 1,42,984 kilometers and the other name is Jove. The next is the Saturn. Duration of a year of the Saturn in the Earth's days equivalent is 29 years 5 months. And the duration of one spin on axis is 10 hours 40 minutes. Saturn's distance from the Sun 1424 million kilometers and the atmosphere is liquid hydrogen and the helium are present on the Saturn. Moon. There are 53 moons. Titan is the largest moon of the Saturn. And the diameter of the Saturn is 1,20,536 kilometers and the other name is the ring planet. The next is the Uranus. Uranus duration of a year in Earth days equivalent is 84 years 5 months and the duration of one spin on axis is 17 hours and 14 minutes. The Uranus distance from the Sun is 2869 million kilometers and the atmosphere is the hydrogen, helium, water in the ice form and ammonia also in the ice form and the methane also in the ice form. There are 27 moons to the Uranus. Diameter of the Uranus is 51,118 kilometers and the other name is the Father Sky. The last is the Neptune. The duration of a year in a days equivalent is 164 years and the duration of the Neptune of one spin on axis 16 hours. Neptune's distance from the Sun is 4,469 million kilometers and the atmosphere is the hydrogen, helium, water in ice form and ammonia and methane also in ice form are present on the Neptune. Neptune is having a 13 moons and the diameter of the Neptune is 59,528 kilometers and the other name is the windy planets. These are our 8 planets which are in our solar system are divided into two parts that are the inner planets and the outer planets.